Do 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 ba 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 ba. And the
Take one!
mouse. Why?
Take
What
one!
dang it?
Okay. Everyone, silence.
Okay.
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 Well, another day and another dollar. And another of my sanity.
What? What's that?
What in the hell was that?
Oh.
Just get going.
Arg, what in tarnation is this? Knock knock.
What was all that noise? Let's go check it. Hey fellas, what was all that ruckus?
Should someone go check on the kitchen?
I will go do it.
Yeah, you do that.
Knock knock.
Alright.
Open sesame. Well, seems the microwave exploded again.
I'm done?
Again.
The 10th
Yep.
time.
Seems I gotta go fix it.
Alright, who did it this time?
Arg me. Please.
Well, what? How did the microwave explode this time? I didn't even do anything this time.
Don't look at me. I didn't touch it. Last time I touched it was last week.
Okay.
Bark 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 bark.
Can you please let Chica talk for the love of God? It's getting insane.
Who put tinfoil in the microwave this time?
Ow.
Alrighty, who did it? What the?
Actually, that happened, so what should we do until the microwave gets fixed?
We should put you in timeout for doing this. This is the 10th time the microwave's been
I
blown
didn't even do it this time!
You're being suspicious. I will trust you.
Alrighty. Like Chica said, who put tinfoil in the microwave again?
Boy, me? Why am I put in the microwave?
I didn't even do anything this time!
Wasn't me.
Wasn't me
Just
either.
admit who put the tinfoil in the microwave and get it over with. Arg. Also, where'd the margaritas go?
Yo, what?
Boy,
Listen, I've had a rough day, alright, dealing with those kids. I need some.
I haven't dealt with them in years, man. Look at me. I'm an endoskeleton. You're animatronic.
What? You didn't even get the reform!
Well, life's hard when you're a cupcake. What call?
Thank you!
Ah, you missed.
Arg, also the thing is this, you're just a backup, we're not. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my cream and jack. Margaritas. Where did they go? This. Yes. Why on earth did these idiots throw it in the trash house? If they do, I'm going to be... They did, mother! Oh well, at least they're still good. Alrighty. Cream and Jacks, here I come for the margarita.
Okay, that happened. But again, it wasn't me! Okay. Again, it wasn't me. Again, it wasn't me.
Well, like I say, it wasn't me. Last time I touched it was like a week ago.
Well, then who did it?
Well, who else is here at this establishment?
There's Chica, but she wouldn't do that. I mean, I don't think even Endo even leaves the back room. Okay, Helpy is way too important to be doing something like that.
I'm doing taxes today.
Wait, what am I going Freddy? He won't go Freddy, he's just asleep.
Oh, man, this table smells good.
Oh. And I don't even have hands!
I think maybe Chica put it in there on accident and forgot.
Oh, right. Either way, someone has to, like, pay up.
Who paid up last time?
Wait, what even did happen that last time?
That's a good question. I'll go ask Kelpie. He remembers.
Okay. What was that?
I smacked the fire extinguisher thing. My bad. Hey, Kelpie, I got a question for you.
And exactly what would that be?
So the microwave exploded again, but what happened?
Again!
What happened last time?
Someone decided to put a fork in the microwave.
Yeah, but who was it last time? We're trying to figure out who paid it last time.
Totally not me, that's for sure.
Okay. So, do you remember who paid for it last time, though?
Okay,
Remember.
can you even talk with that? Like, is your voice box broke out like again? You freaking dingus.
Who else I killed you?
Fuck!
Oh, shit.
This means war. Wait, hold on. And you're
Ow. Meanwhile, me mateys. Alrighty, I'm good. Alrighty, let's go to the.
Anyways, thanks for flying, but we need to head back to the route. Anyways, thank you. What the hell?
I'll take it back!
No.
Take it back!
No. No, I will eat you.
What in the goddamn... Oi! What are you two doing? Knock it off, you're destroying the place.
Stop it!
Hando, get it. Hando, get off of him.
Ow.
Oh.
I'm fine. My neck's broken, but I'll be fine.
Oh, now your voice box decides to work.
Well, guess what? It I don't know.
Alright,
You're
what
really
even
gonna
happened?
damn up outside.
What even happened in the first
You're
place?
gonna regret it.
Oh, very
What
spooky.
the fuck?
Real dark powers I learned from doing an activate.
Oh,
What the hell? Oh, hell no.
hell nah, no.
Oh shit. Wait, what the fuck? No. Cupcake, you're getting the wrong one. Cupcake. No. Help me, please.
Again.
Help me. Please, I don't want to go again.
Okay, what the heck is going on out there? I can hear it from my office.
Help me, help us.
Oh my
Help
god!
it, please, make it stop.
It's out of control.
Help it, please.
Help me, help
Bow
us.
to the power of God.
Cupcake, please.
Motherfucker!
It was so young. Help me, please help me. Cupcake, what have you done? You killed Bonnie.
Yeah.
Help me. Help me. He's choking me. Help me. Help me.
Cupcake, I swear to God, you're not gonna get paid!
No, help me, you tiny boy.
No, I'm good. When it comes to Cupcake, I don't mess with him.
Are you coward? Someone help me. I'm about
What in the tarnation? But hey, you better stop this right now, or else.
Oh, sorry.
What has changed? What in the literal cupcakes were you thinking?
Jacob, thank you.
That's the 20th time.
Alright, guys. The microwave and what the heck happened here?
Okay, Cuppy went crazy for the 20th time this week.
Freddy, call the hospital.
I broke the toaster. Oh wait, no, it's microwave. I broke it.
What happened?